Are you trying to make an awesome vision board like this? Give me 2 minutes and I'll show you how I did it step by step using the ProSimply index card organizer. Step 1. Brainstorm what you want to put on your board and make a list of 20 things. Step 2. Create or find images that best represent what you want to achieve. In my example, I'm using Photoshop to crop each image to be 3 by 5. Step 3. Print out on professional photo paper, if possible. If your printer doesn't support that, or if you don't have access to it, take it to a print shop and have them print it professionally. Step 4. Cut them out. Step 5. Place inside our ProSimply organizer. It was created to hold index cards, but it can hold anything that fits, really. Step 6. Hang in a highly visible area to be a constant reminder of your goals and desires that you are going to achieve in life. Making them visible is the key to your success. If you want to make a vision board for yourself using our ProSimply organizer, visit prosimply.com or search for ProSimply at Amazon and find our listing.